Hi, I'm Leong again. So today I will teach you how to release or feel better on your shoulder. Especially a lot of people like computer, driving too long, iPad talking on, and then doing a lot of hand jobs, concentrate in one side. It will hit too much of the wrist, it will cause of an injury on your neck. So this one will affect especially when you too much on computer, will affect the numbness to your hand, head, and all the way to the chest, and especially to your shoulder blade. Especially a lot of people are call uncomfortable in this part. You feel like aching. Alright, so today I will teach you using the white cloth for power. You just turn it to this size about 5 inch. Okay, so this one I want you to put it between the shoulder blade. The shoulder blade, they will curve. So within this one, this is called open up the gap. I will open up the gap. When you sleep, I want you to put over here, then shoulder here, and using your hand pressing here in, and use your neck to turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one to open up your circulation on the nerve, on the gap. It's between is an entrapment. They have a nerve over here and entrap. So teach you how to release. Okay. Now, especially like this, over here, look for the shoulder. Over here, this side, press. So, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one have to do how long, especially you put over here, this hand open up and using your left hand to press. Just open up your shoulder blade, and especially using your neck and turn to one side. Just open up the gap, let the blood circulation, especially this nerve overlap, open up and circulate back. Have to do how long, sleep over here and press, and do this one about 10 times and stay for 10 seconds. So this one will be released, then you feel much more better, then you can continue onwards. Okay, especially like this small space, difficult to sleep. I feel better. Yes. All the best.